traveled here to Cancun dental specialist from New York. I had heard about CPS through my father, who got a full mouth reconstruction done last summer. And I also read many positive reviews online, so I decided to come here as well. I got a full mouth reconstruction done by Dr. Sindel, who did phenomenal work. I have had a lot of previous dental work done in the US that was just completely failing, so it was amazing to come here. They had excellent technology. Their x-ray system is awesome. You can look up while you're laying on the chair, you look up and they have TVs, and the doctors show you everything. When I first arrived, I was at another CDS, because they have a few different locations, and all of the doctors there, Dr. Irma, they were very specific in telling me everything that they were doing. They were very friendly. They knew that I was very nervous coming from all the previous dental work that I had done in the US. And they were just very patient with me. They went over my entire treatment plan, and then they put me with Dr. Sindel over at the other facility, the other CTS. Her and her team were phenomenal as well. She was so meticulous with my mouth. I had zirconium and porcelain crowns put on every single tooth, and she sent my crowns back to the lab several times to have them absolutely perfect, as you can see. And just overall, I had such a positive experience. CDS accommodated transportation for me to and from the hotel, and the drivers were all very sweet, very friendly. They would stop at the pharmacy for me if I needed any medication or any rinses for my mouth. And overall, I felt very safe here. I have had such a positive experience. I want to try to come back every year if I can to get my teeth cleaned, because this has been such an amazing experience, and I'm so grateful for everything that CDS has done for me. And I know that if you